Hello students, welcome in 11th Computer Science. We started with the chapter Logic Gates and Sequential Circuits from paper 2. Students, in this video we are going to learn encoder and decoder. Encoder and decoder. Okay, this is the just opposite process of each one. Now, what do you mean by encoder? Encoder is a combinational circuit which is used in calculator. Okay, it is used to convert a standard input into coded signal. Now student, what do you mean by coded signal or standard input? Now just see the BCD. See here BCD, instead of E write here BCD. Encoder converts a decimal number into BCD codes. Okay, that is standard input into coded signal. That is the function of this BCD encoder. Encoder used in calculator. Okay, it is used in calculator. It is one kind of digital circuit. It is used in calculator. So in digital circuit we always use in work from 0 to 9. So student, all of you know the calculator. Calculator, it is used to perform the operation like addition, subtraction, division and multiplication. Okay, so what is the concept of calculator? How we are using the calculator? So when we are using the calculator, when we presses the any number, okay, when we presses the any number, that number converted to its binary number. Okay, suppose take example, suppose press first 5 number. Okay, this number converted into binary number. Again press suppose 7 number, this converted into again binary number. Then perform addition, suppose subtraction. Okay, then get result again into binary. Okay, okay student, suppose 5 number, if you press the 5 number, that 5 number converted into binary. Again press 7 number, second number, it is converted into again binary. Then perform suppose operation subtraction. Okay, after doing the operation, result also coming in binary. Okay, means second number same converted into binary, and after doing the operation, see, after doing the operation, suppose we are perform the operation addition, so subtraction. Okay, so after performing the subtraction, we are getting the respected output in binary form. So the circuit which is used to convert the decimal number into binary number, so this is a decimal number and this number converted into binary number, okay, is known as the encoder. The circuit which is convert decimal number into binary number is known as the encoder. So after doing the adding or subtraction, whatever any operation, after doing this subtraction, we are getting the number into binary, but we can see the number into decimal format. स्टुडंट, जेव्हा तुम्ही कॅल्क्युलेटर यूज करता, कॅल्क्युलेटर तुम्ही नंबर प्रेस करता. ठीक आहे, तुम्ही जो नंबर प्रेस करता, वरच्या कॅल्क्युलेटरची स्क्रीन, वरची जी स्क्रीन असते ती कोणती असते, 7 सेगमेंट LED. म्हणजे जिथे तुम्ही नंबर, जो नंबर प्रेस करता तुम्हाला नंबर दिसतो, इट इज कॉल्ड ॲज 7 सेगमेंट LED. मग तुम्ही जो नंबर प्रेस करता तो नंबर तुम्हाला त्या 7 सेगमेंट LEDवर दिसतो. तुम्ही जे काय ऑपरेशन करता तुम्हाला आउटपुटसुद्धा त्याच फॉर्मॅटमध्ये दिसतं. ओके, म्हणजे द सर्किट विच इज कन्वर्ट द बायनरी इंटू डेसिमल. सी, द सर्किट विच इज कन्वर्ट बायनरी इंटू डेसिमल is known as decoder, means opposite of this encoder. Okay, opposite of this encoder. Means after getting the output, expected binary number and the circuit which is converting the binary number into decimal, it is called as decoder. And getting the decimal number, we can see that number onto the calculator screen. Okay, understood student? What is actual function of encoder and decoder? Okay, encoder means this decimal number converted into binary. Again this binary number converted into decimal, it is called as decoder, means opposite of encoder. Same as in computer also, we are using the keyboard. What is the function of keyboard? Keyboard is used to give the input data to the computer. So the keys which are present on the keyboard, they are using the which code? ASCII code. Okay, they are using the ASCII code. This ASCII code used in computer system. Okay, so to convert the ASCII code into process data, here using one circuit, that circuit known as encoder. See, what is ASCII? ASCII means, all of you know, American Standard Code for Information Interchange. It is used to convert your given keys into computer language. Computer language means it is also called as machine level language. Based on this logic, we are going to see one circuit that is called BCD encoder. Okay student, that is called BCD encoder. So BCD encoder, it is a combinational circuit which is used to convert standard signal into a coded signal. So for that we are using BCD encoder. And decoder is a opposite of binary number into decimal known as decoder. Understood? Now see in detail how work BCD encoder. Okay, now the works BCD encoder. Now see BCD encoder, we use 4 OR gates. Okay, we have the 4 OR gate. Each OR gate have the name A, B, C and D. Okay, and this is your MSB and this is your LSB. Okay, now in BCD encoder we need 10 switches. Each switch represent onto 10 switches. Okay, these are the 10 switches, and each this is the switch. Okay, when any number you have to press, that switch is in close action. Okay, now it is in open action. Okay, just close and open. Now see, each switch represent on starting from 0 to 9. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, then after each connect 5 plus 5 volt. Student, this line is plus 5 volt. Always remember. Okay, this is a plus 5 volt. This switch is connected to plus 5 volt power supply. It is a switch, so it can be present in this way to having the lines here. Okay, these are the lines. Now these are the OR gate. So we can see that we have, so when a particular decimal number is get pressed, these are decimal number. These are the decimal number. Thus we are pressing all kinds of decimal numbers, then it connected to high voltage plus 5 volt to the corresponding OR gate. These are the OR gates. Okay, now see, the switch get connected to the OR gate, and after pressing it automatically generates its equivalent BCD code. Okay, when any switch are pressed, it's connect to this corresponding OR gate and automatically it generates BCD code. Okay, means when a particular decimal number is pressed, suppose for example when 0 is pressed, see here, when 0 is pressed, encoder will be ABCD0000. Okay, it is kept open form because it is 0. It is 0. 0 means nothing. So it is open form. Suppose take another example. Suppose it take, see here, 0, first 0 0 1. Okay, 0 0 1 means when 1 is pressed. Okay, 1 is pressed means ABCD. This 1 is connected to these OR gates. Remaining all gates are open. Okay, if second is pressed, 0 0 1 0. So here 1 is connected. Okay, if second number is pressed, then this second line is connected to C gate, because what is the binary number of 2 0 0 1 0? If 1 here, so this OR gate connected to this second switch. Suppose take third, 0 0 1 1, 0 0 1 1. So these two gates are connected to third switch. Okay, now in fourth, 0 0 1 0 0. So B OR gate is connected to fourth switch. What is the binary number of fifth? 0 1 0 1. Okay, so B and D gates are connected to fifth switch. 6. Now see 6 number. If 6 is pressed, 0 1 1 0 means B and C are connected to 6 switch. 7. 0 1 1 1 means B, C and D OR gates are connected to 7 switch. Okay, what is the binary number of 8? 1 0 0 0. So A OR gate are connected to 8, remaining are open switch at the time of 8. If 9 is pressed, 1 0 0 1 means A and D are connected to 9 switch. Understood, student, this BCD encoder diagram? Okay, means you can any combination of numbers are pressed 0 to 9 or 7 respective or corresponding OR gates are automatically attached to these switches. Okay, understood? What is encoder? Means if any one switch are pressed, these switch are close switch, means connect this line, and then corresponding BCD encoder will be displayed. Okay, this process or this circuit including in also calculator, but I want to output in decoder form, means in original form. Suppose I press 9, okay, then I want to display 9 also on screen. Then which circuit is used? Opposite of encoder is decoder. Student, understood this diagram? How to draw this diagram? First 10 switches are drawn. Okay, 4 OR gates, because BCD means binary coded decimal. Each decimal number write in equivalent 4-bit binary number. So here 4 OR gates are connected. Okay, so when one is pressed, then first OR gate is connected only. 2 is pressed, then second OR gate is connected. Okay, like this. Understood? Now see decoder, opposite of encoder, means BCD to decimal decoder. Okay, now we are going to see the decoder. So what is decoder? Binary number into its respective decimal number. So decoder also combinational circuit which converts encoded signal back to its original form. Okay, so we have to the BCD decoder. So decoder circuit perform exactly reverse function of encoder. So it always accept the coded inputs or will generate the desired standard output. Okay, we'll see the BCD decoder. So this BCD decoder, actually this circuit is nothing but the circuit of demultiplexer. Now student, you know already we have studied demultiplexer, that is 1 into many. Okay, so how it is equivalent to the demultiplexer, that we have going to see. So here we have AND gates. First AND gates, how many digits? 0 to 9. So here 0 1 2 3 up to 9. Okay, up to 9 means 0 to 9 AND gates are connected. Okay, here only 5 gates AND gates are joined because of space. Okay, space is not sufficient for all AND gates are draw. So here just here dotted line. Okay, dotted line means 4 3 5 6 7 8 and last one is 9. Okay, now so we have AND gate. So this 0 1 2 3 up to 9. So this is Y0, Y1, Y2, Y3 up to Y9. Okay, now so we have the 4 lines here. Whenever we are going to see its construction, what will be the construction? Then there will be the select lines demultiplexer. See here 4 lines like demultiplexer. Okay, these all select lines can be used as a BCD inputs. Okay, for your DC A B C D. Okay, so these all lines it is used to give the input for your BCD decoder, and the data lines is removed from it is in this circuit. डीमल्टिप्लेक्सर मध्ये डेटा लाईन होती, पण डिकोडर मध्ये आपल्याला डेटा लाईन नको आहे, फक्त हे सिलेक्टर लाईन्स पाहिजेत. ठीक आहे, म्हणजे वी डोंट हॅव दिस डेटा लाईन्स बट वी हॅव द मेनी आउटपुट सच एज Y0 to Y9. वी हॅव द 10 outputs, so circuit is called as a 1 to 10 decoder also. Okay, because only one of the output of the 10 output lines is high. म्हणजे कोणती तरी एकच लाईन याच्यामध्ये सिलेक्ट होणार आहे ॲट अ टाईम. जरी 10 लाईन्स कनेक्टेड असतील तेव्हा एका वेळी एकच लाईन ही कनेक्ट होते. ओके, अँड देन विल गेट द रिस्पेक्टिव्ह नंबर. Okay, so if the output is active low, this can be obtained by replacing by NAND gate. Okay, म्हणजे जर active low म्हणजे काय? 0. मग it is replacing by 0, म्हणजे 0 जर आपण NAND gate मधून पास केला तर काय येणार आहे? 1 येणार आहे. ओके, सो वी आर युजिंग हिअर नॉट गेट इन्स्टेड ऑफ दिस नॉन. इथं जर 0 आलं, 0 जर पास केलं, आपल्याला एनेबल पाहिजे, इथं आपण NAND gate जॉईन केलं तर काय होणार आहे? 0चा 1 होणार आहे. ओके, तर instead of this process here use NOT gate. Okay, replacing by NAND gate, so we are using here NOT gate. So this is the construction of BCD decoder. This is the construction of BCD decoder. Now see connection, so diagrammatically, so if you are going to see the working, suppose BCD input, first suppose 0 0 0 0. Okay, so first input is 0 0 0 0. Okay, now if 0, so first AND gate the input will get 1. Okay, first AND gate input or output will get 0, sorry, because 4 zeros get 0, output is 0. Okay, so what is the connection? If 0, first see this line is 1 and this line is 0, means when 0 is passed, this 0 pass through this NOT gate. If NOT gate is passed, then it converted into 1 and this output will get 0. Okay, see here. Okay, 0 0, 4 zeros are connected through this NOT gate, so first we will get 0, means Y0 is equal to 0. Suppose take second 1. Okay, 1 means 0 0 0 1. Okay, 0 0 0 1 means first connect this 0 NOT gate. Second, see here 0 line. Second connect this not get line, and third one as it is 1, this is one line. Okay, so as it is means 0 0 0 1, 0 is passed through this not get line and 1 is directly connected to this one line. So y1 get 1 output. Okay, likewise BCD to decimal number. See, second, if second means 0 0 1 0 means this 1, okay, be connected to as it is one line and another connected to not gate. Okay, see, this line connected to 1 and another are remaining lines 0 0 1 0, 0 pass through this not gate. The y2 is equal to get 2 means what is the output? 2. Okay, same y3 0 0 1 1. So here 0 means these two lines connected through this not gate and 1 as it is. So what is the output for y3? 3. Okay, output is 3. And what about same like as 4 5 6 7 8 9. See, 9 1 0 0 1 means this line connected to 1 and this line connected to 1 and these two lines connected through this not gate because 1 0 0 1. See, 1 0 0 and 1. So what is the output? This gate 9 means if here y0 is equal to 0, y1 is equal to 1, y2 is equal to 2, y3 is equal to 3, like this y9 is equal to 9 output. Okay, it will get 9 output. Understood what is encoder or decoder? ओके, एक लक्षात ठेवा स्टुडंट्स, यामध्ये एकच गेट एका वेळी एनेबल होतं आणि बाकी सर्व गेट्स डिसेबल होतात. त्या गेटनुसार आउटपुट डिस्प्ले होते. म्हणजे तुम्ही जर तुम्ही बायनरी कोड डिस्प्ले केला म्हणजे 0 1 1 0 दिला त्या गेटनुसार ते डिस्प्ले रिस्पेक्टिव्ह आउटपुट विल बी डिस्प्ले. दिस इज द डेसिमल decoder, BCD to decimal decoder. Understood student? This diagram same like as equivalent to demultiplexer, but in this diagram only data lines are not here. Okay, 4 input lines and 9 AND gates. Understood? Encoder means decimal to binary and decoder means binary to decimal. Understood? Now this is the assignment for you. Okay, complete this assignment. End of this session 8. Thank you student.